Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Stainless steel fish spatula set. Set of 2 stainless steel spatula. Our spatula set comes with 1 large fish flipper spatula plus 1 small pancake spatula. The large one is perfect for flipping delicate fish fillets, steaks, patties more, while the small one is great for turning small pieces of food like cookies, omelets, pancakes, eggs more. High quality, built to last, durable. Our thin metal spatula set is made from 304 stainless steel that is rust-proof and corrosion-resistant. This slotted turner allows grease to drain and slide smoothly under food without causing any damage, thanks to its perfect thickness and flexibility. Easy grip with modern design. The lightweight stainless steel turner with a non-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip and precise control, which makes it easier to grill, flip, fry food. Its modern, sleek design doesn't just look good, but fits flawlessly into any kitchen style. Smart food scales. Syncs with smart app. Download Food Diet app. Sync data like calories, macronutrients, protein, fat, and carbs. The user-friendly app contains extensive USDA food database, which also allow to add and customize your own food data into the app as needed. What's more, you can sync nutritional data with Apple Health and Fitbit app. It is the best food scale for diet, weight loss, or diabetics. Track analysis. Marcos Foodies app is designed to plan your intake in line with health goals. Through measuring over 20 kinds of food nutrition, such as calories/fat/protein, etc., the calorie food scale help you to monitor portion intake and enable you to go back into history to get a weekly/monthly/yearly analysis report, which help to balance diet and achieve healthy goal. Continuous tear to zero with one-touch tear function. You will no longer trouble with complex steps to get net weight. Meat tenderizer. Transform tough cuts into tender meals. Even $8 steaks taste gourmet now. My guests are amazed. 48-blade meat tenderizer break fibers deeply, ensuring perfect flavor absorption every time you cook. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel tool for lasting use. Built like a tank, still perfect after hundreds of uses. Weighted design delivers optimal pressure with a comfortable, secure grip. The detachable design rinses clean in seconds. Just pop it apart, quick wash, done. No food gets trapped. Dishwasher-safe components. Eliminate scrubbing for proper hygiene after use. Unlike jacket. Creates channels for marinades to penetrate deeper. All. Overnight flavor in just 30 minutes. Game changer for weeknight cooking. Seasonings reach the core for juicier, tastier meals. Eggshell opener. Say goodbye to messy cracking. Introducing our innovative eggshell opener for hard-boiled eggs, designed to make cracking hard-boiled and raw eggs a breeze. Just press the button for a clean, quick cut. No more knives or hammering required. This essential tool is among the top kitchen gadgets for 2024. Take it anywhere. Lightweight and portable, this egg cracker is your ideal kitchen aid for outdoor adventures. Easily pack it in your luggage or backpack for hassle-free egg cracking at home, in a hotel, or while camping. Pair it with our egg peeler tool for hard-boiled eggs for the ultimate kitchen and dining experience. Upgrade your kitchen. Transform your cooking routine with this essential kitchen tool that simplifies egg preparation, making it a must-have for every home chef. Whether you're using our eggshell opener, egg cracking tool, or hard-boiled egg peeler, elevate your kitchen experience today. Potato ricer. Mashing potatoes made easy. Don't you wish you can create perfectly smooth and fluffy mashed potato with less effort? With our Priority Chef Ricer Masher kitchen tool, you can achieve a creamy, heavenly dish quickly and conveniently. Simply squeeze on the long handle of our potato press for perfect mash. Large deep basket for quicker ricing. Holding a max capacity of 15 ounces, 3 mm ricer holes, you will have your mashed potatoes prepared quicker yet finer output than using other kitchen gadgets. You can also use it for other veggies like soft carrots, turnips, yams, and even use a baby food masher. Easy cleanup, top rack, dishwasher safe. Crafted from 100% rust-proof materials, the Priority Chef Potato Ricer is resistant to stains, corrosion, and deformation. And with its non-stick material, the spuds will simply slide off. Any food residue is easily rinsed off with running water. It's easy to use and easy to clean. Stainless steel measuring cups. Multiple sizes, including 4 measuring cups, 1/4, 1/3, 1/2, 1 cup, 6 measuring spoons, 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, 1 teaspoon, 1/2, 1 tablespoon. Meet all your needs on cooking and baking. Premium material. The measuring cups made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel. The measuring spoon made of premium food-grade stainless steel, 100% rust-resistant, no toxic elements, which is safe to use for both dry and wet ingredients. Easy cleaning. Stackable professional metal measuring spoons and cup set is dishwasher safe. Perfect solution to cheap plastic measuring sets. Easy to use. Each measuring cup and measuring spoon have engraved clearly the size mark. No more guess in kitchen. Guarantee. Tyluk offer 100% satisfaction to allow you to test it. Please feel free to contact us if you are not satisfied with our product. Ice cream scoop. Effortless hard ice cream scooping. No more bending spoons or waiting for ice cream to thaw. This heated ice cream scoop warms up quickly to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, letting you glide through even rock-solid ice cream straight from the freezer. Just grip the handle to activate heating, no buttons required. It continues warming for 40 seconds after use, making every scoop smooth and simple. Perfect for ice cream, gelato, or frozen yogurt. Easy for anyone to use. Designed to help those with limited hand strength. Seniors, children, or people with limited grip can scoop ice cream effortlessly with this electric scooper. It reduces strain on wrists and hands, so everyone in the family can serve themselves a sweet treat with ease. Adult supervision recommended for kids under 12. Bamboo cutting board. Kichi offers a versatile set with sizes including 15 by 10 inches, 12 by 8 inches, and 9 by 6 inches. Accommodating all your cutting needs from meats and vegetables to fruits and breads. This variety ensures you always have the perfect board for any task. Our cutting boards undergo a thermal treatment at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius, a process known as carbonization. This treatment enhances the bamboo's stability, significantly reduces moisture absorption, and gives the board a rich, dark hue that complements any kitchen decor. Experience unparalleled durability with Kichi's cutting board set, which uses a cross-laminated technique. Each layer of bamboo is precisely interlocked to create a robust structure that resists warping and cracking. Knife set. Multipurpose knife set. This kitchen knives set includes 8 chef knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, kitchen shears, and 6 PCS blade guards. Anti-rust coating. The healthy anti-rust coating protects the knife from oxidation and dishwasher safe, while the non-stick coating ensures the blades stay clean all day long. Easy to carry. Each knife comes with a blade guard for safe, compact storage in your kitchen cupboard. These knives are also easy to carry when camping or storing in your RV. Perfect holiday gift. Ideal for kitchen enthusiasts or new cooks, this knife set meets all cooking needs. It makes an excellent holiday gift for family, friends, lover, and colleague. Lifetime warranty. Every knife set is backed by rigorous quality inspection. We provide a lifetime warranty for every customer, ensuring superior customer service and peace of mind with every purchase. Salad spinner. Quick push and one-handed operation salad spinner. Press the handle. The inner basket will rotate smoothly and stable at high speed, so it will separate and remove water from greens in seconds. It works equally well for left and right-handed users. Excellent design of vegetable spinner. A quick brake button allows for an immediate stop. The foldable pump handle for easy storage. The widened anti-slip silicone ring at the bowl helps the spinner stay stable during operation and protects the tabletop from getting scratched. Fully transparent design. High-quality plastic to make the whole salad spinner completely transparent. Not only is it convenient for you to see if all the water in the greens has been drained, but it is also a beautiful piece of kitchen art.